Hockey India President Mr. Narendra Batra. So there's some shocking news. Terry Walsh has resigned as the Hockey India coach. Can you tell us what exactly happened? Why is this sudden decision?
I could see this thing coming for quite some time, but there have been issues and there have been frustrations in this foreign staff who have come to India. See, the way of working, the way teams are trained, whether it is Europe or whether it's Australia or whether it's United States, it's a different way. There is too much of interference and too much of delays, I would say, from the government side, which is bothering them. And we tried to get the things speeded up, cancellation of camps. Sometimes they want to try out other players. So there's too much of bureaucracy, or what I say, that too much of paperwork to be done, which for a team which has to function within a time-bound period is sometimes become difficult and frustrating for these people. End of the day, it's the coaches who are blamed, or the high performance director who is blamed for the performance of the team. So when they want to do certain things or try out certain things, the support or the facilities seem to be lacking. I think that is what the frustration is.
So you feel that the miscommunication between Hockey India and Sports Authority of India is somewhere a major reason for this fallout?
There's no miscommunication. I would say delays. I won't use the word miscommunication, but the delays do